Hello viewer, welcome back. Today I am going to unboxing brand new Wiko GB smartphone. If you are new in my channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Here you can show a beautiful packet, but it is not main. Inside there is another packet. I think so. This phone is buy from Migros. Now I am going to cutting the beautiful box using these tools. Slowly cut this side and open this part. Yes, here is another box. This is the SIM card that include into the phone. You are watching, this is the SIM card and it is prepaid card. I put it into the box. Let's try how to open this box. First, I try to open this sticker. Oh, sorry. Here is another sticker. I cut it same way. Now separate the box. Wow, this is the phone. It's looking so nice. I'm not saying this is the best phone ever, but in this price, this is good. Here is 3 buttons. One is power button, one volume up and other is volume down button. Camera size looking too small and small flashlight. Here is USB port, I mean charging port, and beside 3.5mm audio headphone jack. I keep it side. Let's have a look what is inside the box. First, there is a warranty card from Wiko company. Leave it. There is a 3.5 headphone jack. There is a 3.5mm headphone. Sound quality is only good, but it's not best. And this is a standard USB cable and charger. Using this cable you can transfer data. I keep it all separate. Here is 1, 2 and 3 user manual, different language of. Leave it. Here is a battery. I'm going to turn on my phone. Keep all separate. Here you can press here and try to open back side. I am pressing power button. Wait a little. Oh, I have to remove this plastic. Without remove this plastic, I can't see anything. Wait a little for turn on your phone. It may take few minutes. I am using fast forward video. Now set up your language and basic setting. I do it fast forward again. After few minutes later, it's open. First, I have to check Android version. Go to setting, scroll down. Here, press about the phone. Here you can show about phone status. I mean Android version 8.1.0 and model. It's showing model WK300. I mean it's its other name JD3, Wiko JD3. Now using dial pad I am typing *#06#. It's showing phone IMEI number. Here is showing 2 IMEI number. That means this phone supported 2 SIM card. You can use 2 GSM SIM card. Okay, let's check camera. Press allow. It is the main part of a phone. Here you can show this is the main camera. Now I am using selfie camera. Here this is me. Okay, let's check other thing. Try to zoom out, zoom in. Good, it's good. Here is showing setting. You can use 5 megapixel camera, front camera. That is enough for this phone. Let's check phone storage space. Go to menu, go to setting, scroll up, scroll down. Here you can find storage space. Press store. It's showing 3.35 GB use. That's mean 4 GB RAM. And here is also showing 21% already use. Here I am added some quick description. For more information, please visit my video description.